Still on the 1st of April, just after my big reference video. Another reference video. Right, let's sort this a little bit better. We have large, 3-inch pipe, which will stick off the end of the property, right off the end of the property when we're needs. This is the thing. It's the thing where the bathroom's being built.
Thank you, say no need to put glue. Yeah.
No, I didn't put glue in, I put the other one in. Just push it in, and then when we need to change it, we just pull it out, and then eventually it'll go off the end anyway, because it's only sink water. The fish will love it anyway, apart from the bubbles. So we're digging a drain we're right where our bathroom's going to be. Bit of a nuisance. We bought the pipe all at the same time, so it's simple. Only in Thailand. Sort the plumbing, extend the pipe, just make sure it doesn't go in the tilapia pond. Job done. There you go. You can put it in the metal then. If you put it in the metal, I'll take it even further. Turn the profiling upside down. Funny. Don't you be picking nothing up, I'll do it in a minute, I'm just doing a video. Just get him to move, sorry, well, he loves it. Just ask him to move that big lump, them big lumps of soil out the way. Only in salad. And if you put another one in, it'll go even further. Job done. Temporary measures for temporary accommodation. As I say, it's only dishwater. The only water that actually goes in the septic tank is toilet flush. Yeah. It's all like hand wash and toilet flush, and we're getting boys' toilets in our toilet, yeah. We're actually putting traditional Thai toilet in as well. We're getting quite used to them now. Yeah, so taking care. Clock needs setting. Gotta get some tapes, get the stickers off. Hot top's still not in. You've seen all this before. This is me view of the morning when I wake up. It's only morning view. We'll definitely see you later.